In the previous steps, we have provisioned the HPE OpsRamp service in your workspace. We have activated the subscription key in your workspace, and we have assigned OpsRamp access role to the desired HPE GreenLake users. HPE GreenLake Cloud authorized users are now ready to access and use the OpsRamp service and take advantage of OpsRamp hybrid observability. On the HPE GreenLake Cloud console, you can start OpsRamp using the Launch button of the OpsRamp service. Notice that you used single sign-on between the HPE GreenLake Cloud console and the OpsRamp console. The OpsRamp startup page is displayed at first login. You can disable it for subsequent logins. On the startup page, you can find information about OpsRamp, hybrid observability, event and incident management, and intelligent automation. These are great readings to get you started. Notice also that you logged in to OpsRamp as a partner administrator. This partner account was automatically created using the information from your HPE GreenLake workspace. OpsRamp uses a multi-tenant model, and as a partner administrator, you can manage multiple client accounts, each client account representing an individual organization, a business unit, or a customer environment. In the next video, we will explain how to start setting up your environment in OpsRamp. We will define a client account, assign specific OpsRamp roles to users, install a virtual appliance, also called a gateway, that discovers and manages your on-premise devices, and apply monitoring configuration to resources in order to populate your first dashboards.